Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on Galena Avenue towards Lighthouse Avenue. Lighthouse Avenue is to the left and the right, but we'll be taking the left first, which is west. The west end of Lighthouse Avenue ends here, and just ahead is Lighthouse Road, which will take you to the Galena Lighthouse. We are turning back towards the eastern end of Lighthouse Avenue. On the right is Galena Avenue, which we had entered from earlier. The east end of Lighthouse Avenue ends, and just ahead is Galena Point. Notably, to the left you can find the Galena Lighthouse. We are turning back towards Galena Avenue. turning off Lighthouse Avenue onto Galena Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.